Hi, my name is Patrick. This is to tell you what is the number of 100 percentilers that are expected in CAT 2023. So let's try to understand with the number of students. The number of students applying for the exam is 3.3 lakh applicants. Less than 3 lakh will write the exam. If you look at last year, there were 2.56 applicants and 2.22 people wrote the exam. So if you look at in the same, perspective, that means same proportion. This year, around 2.85 lakh people will write the exam from that 3.3 lakh applicants, approximately. So I'm taking 2.9 lakh as such. As the number of students who will write the exam. It will vary from 2.8 to 2.9 lakhs. Assume that your rank is 1. I'm just taking, based on a percentile calculations. And we have had a separate video on percentile calculations. So based on that, your percentile will be 99.99965. So anything above 99.99, the next digit will be rounded off. So since this is more than 5, it will round off to 100 percentile, rounded off. So everyone scoring above 99.995 percentile would be rounded off to 100 percentile. Now if I look at the rank number 14, say your rank is 14, okay, then your percentile comes to 99.9952. So this is again above 5. So automatically be rounded off to 100 percentile. So the 14th rank person will also get 100 percentile. If you look at the 14th rank person will also be ending up with 100 percentile. So that means the number of students who will expect to get 100 percentile will be 14, because the moment you calculate for 15, it will go less than 99.5, 99.995. So expected is 14, but if there are 2 or more students getting the same rank, like rank 14, there are 2 or 3 people with the same marks and same best one will get same rank. Then the number of 100 percentile will go up. So it can go to 15, it can go to 16, but it's expected to be around that. 14 to 16. If you look at last couple of years, the number of 100 percentiles were around 10, 11, around approximately that 11. But now this year, because the number of applicants have increased, the number of students writing the exam could increase, and because of that, the 100 percentiles could increase to approximately 40. Right? Or in one way to see is that each percentile there will be more number of students who will be there as far as the exam is concerned. So this will help you to understand the increase in number of students, and that would basically ensure that the number of students per percentile will increase. That's what would happen. But understand that in a lot of these students, most of the students in 2.9 lakh, most of them are non-serious. They have applied for the exam for whatever reasons. They after graduation, no job, anything, whichever, they applied for the CAT, but most of them don't prepare for the end. Either they start and don't prepare, or they don't even start. So don't think that the competition has certainly increased a lot. It doesn't matter. What matters is how you perform. Go for the exam, do your best and come out. That is what matters in the end of the day. So go, do well, perform well in the exam, and then let's wait for where to apply, how to apply based on a percentile that come across, right? So all the best for the exam, and see.